Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Element. So once you're logged into your Element account, you want to look for the option that says create a group chat right over here, which lets you start a new conversation. Now this is basically Element's version of a group chat or server. Once you click that, you'll be asked to name your room. You can give it any name you want depending on your group, like friends, gaming, or work. After that, you can also choose the privacy settings right over here, whether you want it to be private and invite only, or public, where anyone can join. Once done, simply choose create room. And from here, you can now start inviting people by entering their username or selecting them from your contacts. All you have to do is just click on this invite to this room. And from here, as you can see, I already have a friend right over here. All I have to do is just click on its name and go ahead and press invite. As soon as they join, your group chat is ready to go. And inside the room, you can send messages, share files, and even start voice calls if needed, just like you would on Discord. You can also manage the room settings later if you want to change permissions or add more people. And that's it. That's how you create a group chat on Element. It's simple, flexible, and perfect if you're looking for a more private alternative to Discord. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.